A powerful storm right above us right now.
Cool down all that mud.
You can see all the rain. What?
Didn't cool down all that mud.
It's pretty cold.
Yeah.
One sec, guys.
Better than what it was.
One sec, guys. I'll be right back with you. Storm above us. Oh, we got like, what is that, like 25-degree angle? Oh, dang. The more I walk out, the more stronger it gets. Cold. Dang. You can see how much fog's over there too. Well, I'll give y'all some stuff after the storm. See y'all later. Bye.